You know, it's crazy. When life coaches do this one little thing to their offers, they actually double their income almost every single time. It's absolutely crazy how much this works.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend. I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I'm super excited to be here with you today as I just recently put together a training for some of my clients in regards to, the life coach launch offer formula. And the reason why I want to share this with you is because most life coaches don't have any clue when it comes to putting together a proper offer for their life coaching business. And because they're not putting together a proper offer for their life coaching business, this absolutely handicaps them in regards to how much money they're going to make. And the truth is, when they don't follow this life coach launch offer formula, which has been proven, for a long time to make lots and lots of money for life coaches, they end up getting stuck and never being able to make their first or their next 100K as a life coach. So without any further ado, let's head into the training where you are going to learn all about the life coach launch offer formula so you can apply it to your life coaching business today and sign up new clients quickly. Let's rock and roll.
Now, how we're using this specific offer and using Xavier inside the specific offer is I'm just going to kind of go through here and kind of explain, what do each one of these things mean? Now, remember, again, the solution that I'm solving is the main solution is helping people, make their first or helping life coaches make their first or their next 100K. That's the solution I'm solving, It is a wealth solution from the 3 core markets. So what I'm doing is I am decided that the main core piece of this is going to be me teaching the system. So I'm going to teach it both, in a home study course, which again is Life Coach Launch System, which again is going to be the home study course, as well as I'm also going to teach it, in a 3-day live event. And we'll go over that here in a second. So the first thing you're going to notice is the 12-month course that you get and that people get in Life Coach Launch is going to be exactly what it is that I'm selling, Life Coach Launch, the Life Coach Launch System, Typically, the Life Coach Launch System would retail for $4,997, Then you get into Facebook group and support. You're going to notice a lot of times when you join programs like Life Coach Launch, or you join, programs with communities, they're going to have some sort of community where you can plug in, and you can not only get support from that community, but you can also network with other people in that community, as well as usually get support with questions and answers and get help with any challenges that you might have going through the system. So in Life Coach Launch, we give you a Facebook group that is exclusive to only Life Coach Launch members, and we actually go live in that group a couple times a month and answer any questions that you might have. That answers to yours as well as the prospects' external, external questions that they have. Then I talked about, and I kind of dabbed on a little bit at the beginning of this, at the beginning of showing you this, which is going to be the 3-day Life Coach Live, 3-day Life Coach Launch Live. Now, what this is the 3-day Life Coach Launch Live is going to be me going over the entire Life Coach Launch system. It's broken up into 3 pillars of identification, presentation, and impact. We go over those 3 days, the entire system together, and I walk you through it and handhold you through it so that you can get through the entire system and ask any questions that you want with me, the creator of the system, over that 3-day event. We're going to spend 8 hours a day together for 3 straight days and literally go over and build out your entire Life Coach Launch system together, So as you can see, that right there is going to answer that internal. Remember when I was talking about the internal case studies, but also doing things, kind of doing things with people, involving people? This is exactly how we answer this external. This is a major external that we do, but it also is a blast. And a lot of people have so many great breakthroughs by coming to this 3-day event and by getting a chance to work with me, there, for a solid 24 hours over 3 days. We do a lot of stuff, but when you leave that, you have a plan to go make your first or your next 100K as a life coach, and we're able to do it in just 3 days. And that's what makes that event so special, but also answers to any of those internal and external objections that people might have. So I've talked about it a little bit earlier in the video, my super online organic marketing system. I built this system, sold it for $3,000, last year, when I built it, to I think around 85 people. It's an absolutely amazing marketing system. And I wanted to make sure I added it for the life coaches, because the thing is this marketing system is what's going to help you get eyeballs on you, get people to your presentations, but ultimately help you get leads and generate leads very, very quickly, while also building your list very, very quickly so that you can consistently, right, go out there with that list, go out there with those leads and start getting eyeballs of people who need your help looking at you right now. That super online organic prospecting system is going to show you exactly how we do that and how we followed this system to generate thousands of leads for us and our customers without spending a dime online for Facebook ads or YouTube ads or any other type of ads, right? We did this all organically, and we actually spent less time doing it, right, than the average person, because we actually show you the system that helps all of this run together. So that counts obviously as E there. And then we get into, a couple things I want to let you know. The Life Coach Launch System also counts as A, because as I'm explaining it in the offer, again, it's the Life Coach Launch System, which is going to be a coaching system over the next 12 months. That answers to that A. So I wanted to make sure I also said there. This also, the 3-day Life Coach Live, this is also going to answer to V, because the vehicle is you're actually going to, I'm talking to you all about, you're coming to this live event, and then I'm going to give you all of the training that comes with this live event in the course that you're also going to get for 12 months. So these kind of come in tandem with how we do this, because some people want the course, some people want the live, but I always say that the vehicle for mine is always going to be Life Coach Launch System with the 3-day live. Right? They just work really well there, but the 3-day live works really, really well. As you can see, I'm then going to bring the Life Coach Launch System. So both of those will play as the vehicle. We then get into the Coach's Money Mindset and Confidence Pack. This is very much an internal. One of the biggest reasons why people sign up with us here at Life Coach Launch is because we do more than just show you a system. Yes, we give you the system. We give you the exact step-by-step on making your first year next 100K, but we also understand, because we've done this ourselves, that there's going to be hiccups and there's going to be times on the journey where you are going to need help, or you are going to have an obstacle, or you are, going to need some help or a guide to get through, right, that problem. So what we want to make sure that we do is we gave you a money mindset and confidence pack that is going to help you not only eliminate fear, self-sabotage, self-doubt, and imposter syndrome, but it's going to help you follow this journey and have everything that you need, right, when and if trouble occurs along this journey. And then last and certainly not least, we wanted to make sure we added in our reasons to take action now. The 10K Payday event is, one of our most popular events that we run here at Life Coach Launch. It's where you get to spend 3 full days with us somewhere around the United States. We travel and we spend 3 full days, and we literally go through this system with you, as well as bring a lot of mindset and a lot of money mindset and energy work into, right, stepping into being a 6-figure coach. And we spend, 3 days together, and we're giving you actually 50% off, coming and doing that with us, when you join Life Coach Launch. So, you can use this 50% off ticket. So we're giving you that, so that's a lot of times when people hear about us, they hear about 10K Payday. So like we're giving you, a lot of people want to come to it. So we're giving you the best chance to come to it. We're also giving you a 3-day live NLP event. I teach you all how to make sales in Life Coach Launch. It's a full module on it, but I also want to teach you exactly how the brain works so that you can learn how to make sales, right? While using NLP language and using things like direct commands and the language that, the salespeople like Tony Robbins and Dean Graziosi and those people are using every single day to make millions and millions of dollars in sales. And then last and certainly not least, we wanted to give you, tools. We wanted to give you the tools, and that's a great resource that you can give, which is going to be, I'm going to give you all of my promotion swipe files. So like some people are going to come to me and be like, well, this sounds great, Sid, but I don't want to build a presentation. That's going to take forever. Oh, don't worry. I got my presentation swipe files. It's every slide that you're going to need. It tells you exactly what to put there. Oh, and I also give you all my slides to my presentation. So you can also just, mirror and match the presentations that I have. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.